Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Getting a WS-37432-9 error on your PlayStation can be really frustrating, especially when you just want a game. This code typically pops up when your console struggles to connect to the internet, often pointing to a DNS issue. Don't worry, it's a common problem, and usually there are a few simple steps you can take to get back online quickly. We'll walk you through them right now. The first step is always to check the basics, your internet connection. Make sure other devices like your phone or computer can access the internet. On your PlayStation, navigate to Settings, then Network and choose Test Internet Connection. If that doesn't resolve it, give your Wi-Fi router and modem a quick power cycle. Just unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Wait for the lights to stabilize. This often clears up minor network glitches. A common culprit for this particular error code is your DNS server. This is like the internet's phone book, helping your PlayStation find online resources. You can often fix WS-37432-9 by manually changing your DNS settings. Go to Network, then Set up Internet Connection, choose Custom, and select Manual for DNS. Try using Google's public DNS, which is 8 for primary and 4 for secondary, or Cloudflare's, which is 1 and 1. Be sure to test your connection afterward. If changing your DNS didn't work, try a more thorough network reset. Completely unplug your router, modem, and even your PlayStation for 5 minutes. This clears out lingering network caches. Then plug them back in, starting with your modem, then router, and finally your PlayStation, letting each fully boot. Also, check your router's manufacturer website for firmware updates, as outdated firmware can sometimes cause unexpected connectivity problems. Remember to test your internet connection after every troubleshooting step. If the WS-37432-9 error persists, consider connecting your PlayStation directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is often more stable. If these solutions don't work, it's best to contact your internet service provider or PlayStation support for further assistance. We hope this video helped you get back online. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.